It's going to be cold and windy. I'm telling you, planet Earth is an interesting place tonight across the northern hemisphere. And right smack dab in the middle, Texas. Can you see that counterclockwise rotation of the clouds? Even flashes of lightning with thunderstorms near Dallas right now, while snow flies out west in the cold air sector. And we've warmed up into the 70s here in Houston in the warm air sector. But all of that is going to change quickly and violently as the storm comes across Texas tonight. There's the snow, heavy now along I-20. San Angelo's getting dumped on. Kids at Abilene Christian are getting snowed on right now as well. That will stay as snow for the next several hours. Dallas, thunderstorms moving north of them. We actually had a couple of showers over the bay. Warmed up into the mid-70s here in Houston, unusually warm for this time of the year, and then cold air coming on the backside. Currently 39 in San Angelo, currently 34 in Abilene, with big fat snowflakes flying. Temps have dropped like a rock out in West Texas while we warmed up on the east side. But all that is going to quickly change violently with this big dip in the jet. The upper level winds at 34,000 feet. Unusually deep jet dip down into northern Mexico. You don't get that all the time. And because of that, it is developing at the mid levels, 18,000 feet, a very intense mid-level low pressure area. This is a cold core wintertime low pressure system. Now, here's the thing. The storm's center will be north of Houston early, like 1:30 Friday morning. The strongest winds will be on the west side. So tonight, we won't see the strongest winds here in Houston. That won't happen until the center of that storm gets into Louisiana, and that won't happen until the middle of the day tomorrow. When that happens, we'll be on the strong wind side. So the strong winds will come in early afternoon tomorrow. Here's the wind forecast, 7 o'clock tonight. Winds increasing 8, 10, 15 miles an hour, 22 down toward Palacios. As we head toward 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, sustained winds at 15 to 20 around the Houston area, stronger winds down to the southwest. But by noon tomorrow, sustained winds 23, 25, 26, 27 miles an hour. That's when the strongest sustained winds and gusts will come in. It'll begin to settle down a little bit by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Let's look at gusts. This is the stuff where we might have some problems. 7 o'clock tonight, wind gusts to 20 miles an hour, no big deal. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, gusting to near 30 around the Houston area. Not that bad. We can handle that. It's by noon tomorrow when winds begin to gust to and above 40 miles an hour in Tomball, Sugar Land, Pearland, Conroe, Houston, Hobby, Galveston. That's the threshold for small branches to begin to break, and that could cause scattered power outages. So between noon and around 3 o'clock is when the strongest winds will come. By 7 o'clock in the evening tomorrow, Friday evening, still some gusts to 30 and above, near 40 in Galveston. So the winds will slowly settle down tomorrow evening. What about the precipitation and the winds? Well, this is 7 o'clock tonight. Winds here pick up 15 to 20. We know that'll be heavy snow west of Dallas overnight and 7:30 tomorrow morning. A little bit of wraparound moisture. If we're going to get a flurry tomorrow morning, it'll happen around 7:30, but I've got 3 question marks, which means uncertainty in that is very high. I doubt we're going to see flurries here, but maybe. Won't cause any travel problems. The wind may cause the travel problems by noon to 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Winds sustained at 25, gusting 35 to 40. Travel up and down I-45 will be heavily impacted. Same thing on I-10 with those 18-wheelers having to slow down in that strong wind. Storm exits and winds begin to settle down slowly as we head through the day on Saturday. So here's the extended 40s tomorrow, by the way, with that wind, which means wind chills will be in the 30s all day tomorrow. What a huge change from 70s today. Saturday, nice, 36, 58. Sunday's beautiful, 43 and 66. Slight rain chances, cloudy and cool. The bulk of next week. It is tomorrow around lunchtime that the strongest winds, gusting above 40, will arrive, gang.
I got you. Tomorrow?